Welcome everyone, welcome to Andrew's Tech. This is computer tips and tricks on Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you how you can design your text by using Home tab, Home ribbon, and this group of font, this font group. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can design your text, your small text, your letter, your CV. I don't think so, but all is about how you can design your text by using only this Home tab, Home ribbon, and font group. So guys, let's get started. Here you have written, "Hey James, I'm Andrew. I need you tomorrow, please. I'm doubting on the last decision." You see guys, as most of you knows, everything you do on the computer you must select before you change anything. You select, then click on this Home tab and it opens a Home ribbon. Then you go on this font group. Font group, we have a lot of different small icons like these bold ones. You can make our text bold, more black, look more black, and make our text italic. You see guys, and underline on our text, but I don't think it can work. It doesn't look good if it is aligned. Then we can increase the size of our text. You see guys, as you click here, the size of our text increases. As you click this down on small icon or decrease small icon, it decreases or it reduces the size of our text. Or you will select manually and you pick your favorite text size. Maybe let me pick 16. You see guys, not enough guys, you can also design the background or design the text on our sheets by simply selecting and Home tab. It opens the Home ribbon and we change the color of our text. Maybe I would prefer this one, the orange one or the blue one. Let me pick this, the blue one. Hey James, doesn't it look more beautiful? I think so. We can also change the background of our text by simply clicking on this small icon here. As you change the color, also the color of the background of the text changes. I think it could be better if we pick this one. Okay guys, you see everything is good. Even guys, maybe you have written but you have mistaken somewhere and you have written the name of the names of the people starts with a capital letter, but me I have misspelled this name and started it with small letter. And for this case I will just select the first letter of this G and I click on the Home tab and open the Home ribbon. Then I come on this double A, the capital one and the smaller one. Then I choose uppercase. You see guys, the machine automatically corrects the mistake. "Hey James, I'm Andrew. I need you tomorrow, please. I'm doubting on the last decision." Not enough, maybe not enough. I have written something here but I want to cross them out. Let me maybe select this one, decision. Maybe he will not, I want him to not focus on this decision or this word decision. For this case I will just go to the Home tab and I choose this strike through icon and I cross decision out. You see guys, if I click, the decision is crossed out. So guys, I think this was today's lesson, but one more trick, still on the font group, in the home tab and the home ribbon. You see this small icon here. We are going to design our text. You can design your text by choosing according to your preference. Maybe this one could work for me, or this one works for you, but let me choose this one. It looks nice in my eyes. You see guys, we have truly designed our text. Hey James, I'm Andrew. I need you more please. I'm doubting on the last decision. It also attracts the attractions of the reader. It also attracts the interest of the reader. So guys, thank you for watching. This was today's lesson. This was today's video on computer tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share on this channel, Andrew's Tech channel, for more videos, for more tips and tricks on computer, on Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, each and everything we will see in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.